Hello children, welcome to the next session, session number 12. So we are in chapter 1 and in the previous session, that is session number 11, I have explained 4 bits in the exercise number 1.1. Now still 4 bits we have, we will try to finish in this session, then we can go for the next questions in the next sessions. So since we are in the first class, I am explaining all the questions. Once the classes proceeds on, I will explain 1 or 2 bits and I will give the homework to you. You have to do that. Okay. Now, first of all, whenever there is a question, first read the question properly. Write the numbers in words. So there are some questions is given. Of course, it's a 4th or 5th standard question. So getting into the subject, these type of questions will be given as a recall or review of your old subjects, right? Now how to write is very simple. First one, answer 72,642 is given, the number is given. Actually there are 2 types of systems to write, Indian system and international system, but here nothing is mentioned. So to write in Indian or international, it's not mentioned. So if it is not mentioned, better to write the Indian system, right? So how to write the Indian system? First, units, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Already yesterday we have discussed, right? So in this case also, first how to write that one is, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take 5 boxes. Right? Then after taking the 5 boxes, place ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Then fill the numbers 2, 4, 6, 2, 7. After this, pairing. So pairing, how to do the pairing in the Indian system is, first units, tens, hundreds, 1 pair, 1,000, 10,000s, 1 pair, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 1 pair, then crores, 10 crores, 1 pair. Like this we have to pair. Now once it was over, now write this one. So first this pair. How much is the number? 72. And weight is there? Thousands. So how to write is SEVENTY, 72,000. 72,000. So this was finished. Next, what is the remaining? 642. 72,642. This is the answer. First frame out, then after this make it into pairs. Units, tens, hundreds, 1 pair, 1,000, 10,000s, 1. Next, second question. 55345. How to write this one? Same. How many numbers are there? 5 numbers. Take the 5 boxes. Then place ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Then after this, place the numbers. It is 5, then it is 4, then it is 3, 5, 5. After this, what I should do? Pairing of these 3 and this one. And what is the number here? 55. So how to write? Write FIFTY, 55,000, 55,300, 300, and how much is there? 45. 345. So this is the way to write. Got it? How to write this one? We have to write like that. Now check it the third one. Same. 66600. Same. How many boxes are there? 5 boxes. Keep 5 boxes. Then after that, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Then write the numbers 0, 0, 6, 6, 6. After this, pairing up these 3 1 and these 2 1. How to write now? How many is there? Let's look at it. 66. So how should I write? 66,000 66,600. So only hundreds are there. Tens and ones are not there. 66,000. I can write 600. That's all. So how to write this? 66,600 we can write. Now look at the next one. So what is the remaining one? We have only fourth. So already 3 was written. Now try to write the fourth one. What is the fourth one? Look at the number 30301. Write it. First, how to write? Take a box. And how many numbers are there? You just make into boxes. Then write ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Then after that, fill the numbers in the boxes. Then after that, pairing up. After that, write the thousands, because the highest is the thousands. Now how much is the thousands? 30. So write THIRTY, 30,000. 30,000. What is the remaining? 301. 301. So this is the way to write. So first what we have to do? Take the number, place the box. In some cases it may given more numbers. Then what to do? Take more boxes. 6 numbers are given, take 6 boxes. 7 is given, take 7 boxes. Okay. So like this you have to write the given number into the words. Next. Now coming to the 6th bit. So this time in the previous question he given numbers and he asked you to write in words. Now in this question he given words, we have to write in numbers. It's not an issue. We can follow the same method. First you have to read what is the highest. So 40,000. So 40 means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So 40 means what is the highest here? 10,000. So 10,000 means how many boxes will be there? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So how many boxes should be there? So we should write 5 boxes. Right? So write the 5 boxes and make it into 5 parts. So write, so it is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. That's all. Now place it. So don't place now 40 is there. Don't place here. Because the pairing up which should be there, thousands and hundreds is there. So what I should write is, I should write 40 here. Don't write 40 here. Because what is this place? Hundreds. Now how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds and 70. Not 7. 70 means 7 tens. That's all. Look at this. 40,270. So generally what the students will do one mistake. They won't write this 0. They will write 4, 2, 7. That's all. Don't write like that. Thousands, 10,000s. Now look at this question. 14,064. 14. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So means in this case also, how many numbers are there? In this case also we should have 5 numbers. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Now 14 means how much you know? 1, 4. Look at this question. 64. So hundreds is not there. What you should do? We'll leave that one. Don't leave that one. Should keep 0. 0 hundreds. No hundreds. Hundreds is not mentioned. 64. So I can write 6 tens, 1 fours. So 14,064. Don't write 6 here, 4 here and last 0. It will be different. So you have to go according to the question. Next 9,700. Look at this 9,000. Only 1,000. So how many boxes I should write? You know, I had write only 4. Because why I should write 4? Because ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. That's all. In the previous case 40, 14. So after 10, 20, 30, 40 all comes under the category of 10,000s category. Now in this only 9,000. So what I should write? I should write 9,000. So how many hundreds? 7. And there is no tens, no ones. So what I should write? I should write 9,007. Next look at this. 60,000. 60. 60 means, so how many? It comes in the category of 5. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. So 60,000. So it is ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousands and 10,000s. Now 60. So I should write it's not 16, it is 60. So it will be 60 and nothing, hundreds, tens, ones are not there. So what I should do? Leave it. If you leave it, it is wrong. So what I should write is we should keep zeros. So this is the way to write when the words are given to write in the figures. So what I should do first, read the question and take the highest point, then make the boxes, and whenever they are there, fill the boxes in a proper way. So 200s means we have to keep in the hundreds only. If hundreds is not given, we have to keep 0. If 10,000s are not there, you don't write. And hundreds, tens are not there, you have to keep the zeros. Okay. So this is the way to write. Right. Now very good question and very important question. Logical question. All the good, important, logical, all comes in this category. Now the question is, form 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 3, 7. He given 4 digits. And we have to form 4-digit numbers and find which is the greatest and which is the smallest. Okay. So before going to write this, I have to recall one point. What is the point is, if the 0 is before the number, it does not have any value. I repeat the statement again. If 0 is before the number, it does not have value. If the 0 is after the number, it will have value. Okay, just I will show you. For example, 50 rupees is there. So 50. How many are there? 1, 5, 1, 0. If I reverse it, is it also okay? How much this? Sir, 0 is there, 5 is there, na? So shall I'll give 50, you give 50 rupees to me. This one I will give 0.5 rupees to you. Will you accept that? No. So what we understand by that one is, if 0 is before the value, it does not have value. For example, look at this. 5 lakhs. Units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 5 lakhs. So how many zeros are there? 5 zeros. Sir, you said if I keep 1 0, it does not have value. If I keep more zeros, will it have value? It also not have value. So what is the answer? You know this one? 5. Just 5. This one 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs, 5. What is the reason? Because all the zeros are before the number. So what we understand from this point is that if 0 is before the number, it does not contain or it does not show any value. That point we have to remember. Now basing on this, we have to proceed. Right? Now, what is the answer to write is? Answer, given digits. What is the given digits? 4, 0, 3, 7. Now the point I told, from this we have to make a 4-digit number, right? So therefore the possible 4-digit numbers, are, okay, first I will show you. First take any digit, 4, then write 0, 3, 7. Next 4, 3, 0, 7. Next 4, 7, 0, 3. So what I am writing? I am shuffling the values. That means first I kept 0. So for your understanding purpose, I kept 0. Then I kept 0 in the middle. Then I kept 0 later. So that's easy to understand. 4, 7, 0. 4, 3, 7, 0. Next, first I kept 3 here. then already 0 is there. So I can write 4370 already finished. Next I can go for 7. 4703. 4730. So basing on this, you can write different numbers. How many numbers you can write? You know, four digits are there. We have to write 4 digit values, that is 4 digit number from that. So like this, by changing the numbers you can write. Now you kept 4 here. You can ask, sir, can I keep starting 7? Yes, you can 7, 4, 3, 0, 7, 3, 4, 0, 7, 0, 4, 3, 7, 0, 3, 4. Now place the 0 in the middle. 7, 3, 0, 4. Next 7, 4, 0, 3. So like this, you try to write more numbers. How many numbers are possible? You can ask the question, sir, can I keep 3 in the first? Yes, you can keep 3, 4, 0, 7. 3, 7, 0, 4. 0 in the middle. Next 0 in the starting. 3, 0, 7, 4. 3, 0, 4, 7. Then next 0 in the middle, 0 in the last. 3, 4, 7, 0. 3, 7, 4, 0. So look at this, 0 in the middle, 0 in the starting, 0 in the last. Now like that, 7 in the middle, 4 in the middle. Like that you have to write how many possibles are there, you have to write. Okay. So the question is, write, form a 4 digit numbers is given. So like this you can write how many numbers are possible, you just try to write. And now you can ask question, sir, I kept 4 in the starting, I kept 7 in the starting, I kept 3 in the starting. Can I get 0 in the starting? So is the question 0, 3, 4, 7. 0, 3, 7, 4. 0, 7, 3, 4. 0, 7, 4, 3. Next 0, 3 came 4. 4, 7, 3. 0, 4, 3, 7. So like this, can I write? Yes, you can write like this. Yes, you can write like this. Yes, you can write like this. But you cannot write like this. Why? Why we should not write like that? Because just now I told, if 0 is before the number, it does not have value. You know what is this one? It is 347. Of course 0 is there, but it does not have value. So what is the answer? It does not have any value, so it is 347. So all this comes in the category of 3 digits. So we should not write like this. We should not use, because what is the reason? Why we should not write like that? Because if 0 in the start, 0 is before the number, it does not have value, so we should not write like that. Okay. Now after writing all these things, you try to write all these things. How many numbers are there? You just write it. Now our question is, which is the greatest number and which is the smallest number, right? So without writing this one, I'll give one clue how to do this one is, right? So the greatest number, Greatest, greatest number is very simple. Write the numbers in descending order. So descending order means, what is the first number? 7000. Next number is 400. Next number is 30. So what is the answer? It is 7430 is the greatest number. Now to write the smallest number, how to write is, first you write the numbers in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. What is the smallest number? 0. What is the next number? 3. What is the next number? 4. And what is the next number? 7. But what happens? What I told, if the 0 is in the starting place, or that is before the number, it does not have value. So what after writing this, what you should write is just you change the place value of 0. Now what will get? 3047. This is the smallest number. Got it? So in case if 0 is in the place, what we should write is, first you write the numbers. Greatest number is simple, descending order. Greatest number 7, greatest number 4, greatest number 3, 0. And smallest number is, first you have to write in the ascending order. Then since 0 does not have value when the number is given before, what I should do is, I should just change the number, just change the place. That means మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ రాయదు. ఇక్కడ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? 3400 అయిపోతుంది. Just interchange the values of first and second digit. 3 it రాయాలి, 0 it రాయాలి. Okay? So what is the answer? Therefore, the greatest 4-digit number is 7430 and the smallest 4-digit number is 3047. Right? So this is the question. So the last question of the exercise, write the smallest 4-digit, greatest 4-digit, smallest 5-digit, greatest 5-digit. So I can write the answers in a simple way, but for your sake to understand how to write, I will explain with the examples. Look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to that, how many digits are there? Only one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12. How many digits are there? 2 digits. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. How many digits are there? 99, 2 digits. 100, 100. How many digits are there? 3 digits. So from this we can get a conclusion is that single largest digit, single largest digit తర్వాత వచ్చే నెంబర్ ఏమో తెలుసా? స్మాలెస్ట్ 2-digit number అవుతుంది. Example, what is the single largest digit? 9. What is its next number? 10. Next మళ్ళీ ఏం రాయొచ్చు? Single and smallest 2-digit number is there. Greatest 2-digit number. After this you will get smallest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 2-digit number? 99. Next number ఏమవుతుంది? Smallest 3-digit number అవుతుంది. So smallest 3-digit number అంటే ఎంత? 100. Similarly ఇంకోటి ఏం రాయొచ్చు? నెక్స్ట్ ఏం రాయొచ్చు చెప్పండి? Greatest 3-digit number. Next one is greatest 3-digit number. What is the greatest 3-digit number? తర్వాత వచ్చేది ఏమవుతుంది? Smallest 4-digit number అవుతుంది. What is the greatest 3-digit number? 999. 999 తర్వాత ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1000 వస్తుంది. సో ఇది స్మాలెస్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రాయాలి అంటే గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, స్మాలెస్ట్ వచ్చిందంటే ముందేం రాయాలి? గ్రేటెస్ట్ రాయాలి. రైట్? ఇక్కడ స్మాలెస్ట్ 4-digit నెంబర్ అన్నాం. గ్రేటెస్ట్ 3-digit నెంబర్ అంటే వెరీ సింపుల్. గ్రేటెస్ట్ అంటే ఆల్వేస్ 999 రాయండి. ఇట్స్ నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏమవుతుంది? నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 1000. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 1000 is the answer. That's all. Next, greatest 4-digit నెంబర్ రాయాలి. సింపుల్. అన్ని 9 రాయండి సరిపోతుంది. స్మాలెస్ట్ రాసేటప్పుడే కన్ఫ్యూజన్. స్మాలెస్ట్ 5-digit నెంబర్ రాయాలి. సో స్మాలెస్ట్ 5-digit నెంబర్ రాయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? గ్రేటెస్ట్ 4-digit నెంబర్ రాసి నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏమవుతుంది? 10,000. Now greatest 5-digit number means very simple, 99999. So greatest 4-digit greatest number వచ్చిందంటే you have to write all 9s. Smallest వచ్చినప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి అంటే, to write smallest 4-digit, write the greatest 3-digit. This is the point. Greatest 3-digit number, after that you will get smallest number. So it's a clue to find this one. Okay, so smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Again, smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And greatest 9-digit number is 99,999. Of course, direct answers రాయొచ్చు. ఇది మీకు ఎందుకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నానంటే, ఏ నెంబర్ తర్వాత ఏ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the greatest single digit number. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఏమవుతుంది? స్మాలెస్ట్ 2-digit నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఎవ్రీ greatest 3-digit నెంబర్ After that, you will get smallest 4-digit number, right? So, ఇది అర్థమైతే చూడండి, లేకపోతే you can write the answer. Don't write this one. The direct answer is this. What is the answer? Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. And smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. And greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Okay. So that's all. This is the. In this session, I'll stop with this one. Your homework is these 4 questions. Okay. So I'll write on the board, because some of the students are mentioning that, sir, you are not mentioned the homework in the textbook in the board. So whenever I forgot or whenever I not mentioned, whatever I explain in the class, that is the home assignment. So home assignment or homework. So what is the homework is? Exercise 1.1, question number 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your home assignment too. That's all. We'll meet in the next session. Bye.